Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to remove a vessel from your fleet in the marine traffic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then at the list section, click on the My Fleet button. And then click on the Settings button. And here's your vessel. Now just click on the three dots next to it. And then click on the Remove from Fleet button. And then click on the Remove again. And then it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.